enjoying it, Dad? He loves it. No, no. Ah, I felt the rudder on that one. I've seen the rudder work. Oh, this is wind. Oh, I love this thing. I can't lie, this landing might not be pretty just at all. It might not be a smooth buttery bread. That's a bit of engine power. That was just a massive thrust.
It's really windy.
Here we are. Wait, no. Yep, we're in Birmingham. Alright. Fair. Touchdown. Not bad for a crosswind landing. That is not bad. Oh. That is not bad. That is a smooth landing for a crosswind landing. Ah. That was the funniest thing I've done in my life. Oh, that was fun. Oh.
Oh, it's raining.
I'm in shorts. Yeah.
Welcome back to Birmingham, where the local time is just after 3. For your safety, please remain seated with your
I thought we were
seatbelt
going to
button
go
until
around.
the
Can't
seatbelt
lie.
sign has been switched off. Now that we've left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave, please ensure you have everything.
Why do they put the flaps up one? We might as well just shove them all up. There you go.
Put your seats in the overhead compartments. Please take care of opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. Any lost property will be handed to our team here in Birmingham. If you're given additional seat belts or life jacket, please leave these on your seat. And if you check the car fully collected,
Right, screwed up on
your
this.
arrival call